Hi guys, a very good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be taking you throughout my day, and it is the day after lockdown, and let's enjoy some tea.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the...
दत्तू दिखाओ, ये टंग है, टीथ दिखाओ। चलो, ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा बेटा, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, मुझे पता है। आके देखो। ये भगवान लड़का। बाय बस, मुझे पता था।
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, running low. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running low.
So guys, I'm back from the college, and now I've washed my hands and sanitized my keys. Now I'll be sanitizing all the rest of the stuffs that I took to the college. So yeah, now I'll be sanitizing all of them. And about the day, it was a pretty long day. It was tiring because of the heat, obviously, and I went outside after 45 days. I was in resting phase, so yeah, I am exhausted, extremely exhausted. So that's all about the day, and now I'll just sanitize all the stuffs. I'll show you, and then I'll go and take a quick bath, and then I'll see you guys. So after getting fresh and bathing, I have decided to go upstairs and watch sunset. And before that, I have also recorded a small video in which I am going to show you a few products which I have ordered from an Instagram store. So I recently made a purchase from this Instagram store, Vanshika Botanicals, because their products are completely natural and handmade, and which fascinated me. So you'll find all the products according to your skin type and the concern. I have also shared the link to this page in the description box, and the reviews are also great for the products, which is why I have ordered so many products from this store. And in the screen recording you can see they have plenty of products according to your skin type and your concern. So go check out this page and order at least once and then see the effects yourself. So the first thing that I've ordered is this wine facial bar. This is for anti-aging effect, and I am going to be 29 this year, so I need a lot of anti-aging and natural products. And then I have ordered these neem facial bars for in case if I get any acne. And next I have ordered some soap for my son also. And yeah, this is the soap for which I have ordered for my son, and you can see the packaging is so pretty, and also the soap, I think it's eye pleasing for the kids. So yeah, I have ordered this one for my son. And next I have ordered papaya gel because due to my combination skin I have developed love for gels, and I have ordered this. And lastly I have ordered sandal soap. It brightens up your skin and its fragrance helps to relax and release your stress. In my upcoming videos I'm gonna review these products after using them for at least 1 to 2 weeks. So it's 7 p.m. now and I am back to study. I am on my study table, and if you want then you can see the time. Wait a minute. So yeah, it's 7 p.m. and usually I come around at 4:30 p.m. from my college, and today also I came at 4:30 p.m. So after that I took bath, I spent some time with my son and family, and also I took some rest because it was a really tiring day, because after 45 days I went to the college and I had to work. I didn't work a lot, but yeah, there was some work, and obviously my body was in completely rest phase, and now I had to go suddenly. So yeah, it takes some time for our body to just adjust itself. So yeah, I was a bit tired, and I'm still not very active right now, but yeah, I have decided to study daily, which is why I am continuing the routine, and for at least 1 to 2 hours I'll study today also. So yeah, from now you'll be seeing me study for next 2 hours, and then I'll have my dinner, and I'll end this vlog. Okay guys, so now I will be continuing with my presentation, and I hope you liked this vlog. I will be ending this here only because otherwise it will be very long and I do not want that. So yeah, I'm ending this vlog here only. If you liked it, please like this video, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It will help me grow and it also motivates me. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos too. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.